Pardon my roughness. It is here. It is here. What am I talking about, ladies and gentlemen? What am I talking about? Hold on. Let's get it. It is my camera. Let's open it. Look, let me tell you. I have been in the market for a camera for quite some time. When I say quite some time, quite some time. So let me tell you a little backstory. About December last year, 2021, yes, there was a camera that came out, the Sony EV-10, right? That's what came out last year, right? And then around that time, I said, you know what? I'm not gonna get the camera yet. I'm going to wait. And then I did more research and realized how good of a camera this was. And then lo and behold, it was sold out. It was sold out, yeah. So I tried looking online and it could have been found nowhere. When I say this was nowhere, I tried looking on B&H, Amazon, Sony.com, Shop Moment. They were all gone. You heard? Gone. So I had to sit there and really realize, oh shit, I missed out. One moment, my daughter's yelling. She needs me. Okay, I'm back with the messy edges. So yes, so around Christmas time, I looked out on a good camera that I really wanted, and it had a changeable lens. So you know what? Time has went along, and I was like, you know what? I need a camera, and I need to get it quick because for my Piece Over Everything workshop, link in the description, I'm going to need a live stream with a camera instead of my phone. Don't get me wrong, Apple has helped your girl out, but I need something that's a little bit more professional so I can get the job done. So that brings me to this. So what I got instead was the Sony ZV1. It's not an interchangeable lens camera, it's more so of a point and shoot camera, but hey, I needed a camera. The best next thing after the Sony EV-10 was the Sony ZV1. So it just got here from B&H, and also this was about to be sold out too. We were out. I went on Amazon 2 nights ago to see if it's still in stock, and it was out of stock. So the same thing that was happening to the EV-10 was happening to the ZV-1. And I would be damned if I did not have a camera. So I said, you know what, Tasha, go ahead and get the camera, because you don't want this to be sold out just like how the other one was, and then you're stuck thinking about how you wish you had a camera and took the opportunity when you had to get the camera. So no more. Here it is. It's here. It's really small. Really, really small. Cute. Everything is harder when you have nails, especially to open things. And charge port with a muffler, charger, and battery. Camera. Oh. All right, so this camera was originally $749, but as I said, as it began to get sold out, the prices started climbing to about like $800, and it would have been cheaper. That's my daughter in the background. It would have been cheaper even in an open box, but I couldn't find nowhere locally to get it in a said open box. So I did hop on B&H. I believe it was like one of the last few available before that went sold out. Crazy. So I'm so glad I found it. I got it within 2 days. Look, if you're a content creator and you don't have the funds yet, go ahead and you got a good credit score, go ahead and sign up for the EBOOK card. It gives you a limit, and I got a limit so I could get my camera. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with it and see what it do, because I am looking forward to the defocus and how it blows out everything in the background. and see if it's worth the hype, because those two cameras recently came out and now this seems like they're both on the verge of being sold out. Well, this second one is on the verge of being sold out. So come with me and we're gonna try this out. All right, so we got the on and off button, the mode button, the record button, and all of that. I really wish it had that interchangeable lens. This would have been so much more lit, but nevertheless, I am grateful. So I love the fact that there's a pull-out screen, because with recording on my iPhone, there is no way for me to make sure that this is recording. And also as well, there were even moments on my iPhone when I was recording that there were moments where I would record a whole episode and it wouldn't record because I don't have any type of mirror or a flip out that tells me that I'm recording. So definitely now to have a camera to see when I'm recording and when I'm not recording definitely saves me some wasted time. I'm not even gonna underestimate the things that this camera could do. So let's get to it. What's going on, beautiful people? This is an idea what it looks like with the ZV1 camera. Just sitting here about to get my herbalization on. You feel me? Herbalization. Let's go ahead and take this off so we can really see what we're working with here. I'm so happy I got this camera, y'all. It's actually dope. I tried it with Ecamm last night because with the Piece Over Everything workshop that's coming soon, using the ZV1 is definitely essential for me to get this content live streaming to y'all. Y'all mean? So definitely this investment is pretty good so far. I can't complain. I don't even have no mic on this, and at least from what I played back, like the volume is pretty clutch. So I'm rocking with it. Let me just walk around, you know what I'm saying? Again, we got the blurred background going on. Yeah, and then it goes back into focus to look at everything else. And then it blurs everything out. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. But yeah, the ZV1, the quality is really good. All I'm missing is my tripod, and we're good to go. We are good to go. I think it's like tracking my eye here. So I guess it has like a good face tracking mechanism to it. All right, this is a wrap up about the ZV1 Sony camera. Overall, I think it's pretty good. I love the quality. I love the defocus going on. Matter of fact, the fact I like the camera that's reflecting back towards me that I'm not using right now. Pardon me as I go do that. I can see myself when I'm recording. All right, boom, come through. See myself. We good. But yeah, so pretty much I like this camera. I slick hated on it because I really wanted the EV-10 with the changeable lenses, but because that's sold out, I got this one, and I'm you know, it's looking pretty all right. You know what I'm saying? But let's see what the defocus. Hopefully, do you think the defocus work? Is it working? It's still recording, but do y'all see some defocus going on? Do you see it? I see it because the background started to get darker. It's a good starter camera, and if you don't have the budget to be spending $2,500 for a camera, $3,000 for a camera, if you ain't got that money like that, go with this one, the ZV1. But yo, it's really going really fast. I don't even know if there's any more in stock. Last time I checked, it was like $800 and something, and it was like one left on Amazon. So if you really want to do your content thing and you want a professional camera on the budget that's less than $1,000, the Sony ZV1. Only thing I don't like about it is the buttons are small and it's not touchscreen. But I haven't fully explored the depths of this camera yet, so it could have a touch screen and I'm just tripping. And I forgot to mention, what I do like about this though is small. It's super small. So if I want to go and put this camera in my purse, I could do that. So I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you got this far. Type clutch, because this camera is pretty clutch for its price point and quality. So until next time, y'all, keep figuring it out, keep doing your thing, live out your purpose, because that's what I'm doing now with these videos. So love y'all. Peace.